Is your Canon printer refusing to connect to Wi-Fi? Let's fix it in minutes. This is one of the most common issues with Canon printers, and the good news is, it's usually easy to solve. First, restart everything. Turn off your printer, unplug your router, wait 60 seconds, then turn them back on. Make sure your printer and your phone or laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Avoid 5 GHz if your printer only supports 2.4 GHz. Download the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. Tap Add Printer and follow the setup instructions step by step. If your router supports WPS, press the WPS button, then hold the Wi-Fi button on your printer until the light flashes.
If it still doesn't connect, reset your printer's network settings and reconnect from scratch.
You can also go to IJ.start.canon, enter your model, and install the latest drivers. Keep your printer close to your router during setup. For a stronger connection. And that's it! Your Canon printer should now be connected. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.